Beer is one of the oldest alcoholic beverages in the world, with evidence of beer making dating back to ancient civilizations such as the Babylonians and Egyptians. The main ingredients of beer are barley, hops, yeast, and water. Hops are a type of flour that provides bitterness and flavor to the beer, while yeast ferments the sugars in the barley to produce alcohol. The most widely consumed beer in the world is lager, which is a type of beer that is brewed at low temperatures and fermented for several weeks. The process of brewing beer has a significant impact on the local economy, as it creates jobs and generates revenue from tourism and exports. The strength of beer is measured in alcohol by volume, ABV, with the average beer having an ABV of around 5%. Belgium is known for its wide variety of beers, with over 180 different types of beer brewed in the country. Oktoberfest, held annually in Munich, Germany, is the largest beer festival in the world and attracts millions of visitors each year. In some cultures, beer has been used for medicinal purposes, such as to treat digestive problems or to relieve stress. There is a growing trend towards craft beers, which are made by small, independent breweries and often have unique and complex flavors. Some beer styles have specific glassware that is designed to enhance the beer's flavor and aroma, such as the classic pint glass for a stout or the tulip glass for a Belgian ale. One of the oldest recorded recipes in the world is for beer, which was written on a clay tablet in Samaria over 4,000 years ago. In medieval times, beer was often consumed as a safer alternative to water, as the brewing process helped to purify the water and remove any harmful contaminants. In some cultures, beer is considered a symbol of hospitality and is offered to guests as a sign of goodwill. The beer industry is a major contributor to the global economy, with the total value of the global beer market estimated to be over $700 billion. The production of beer is a highly energy-intensive process, with the brewing and packaging of beer accounting for a significant portion of a brewery's carbon footprint. The taste of beer can be affected by a variety of factors, such as the type of yeast used, the water source, and the temperature during the brewing process. Some beer enthusiasts have created beer clubs, where members gather regularly to sample and discuss different types of beer. Beer has played an important role in many historical events, such as the Boston Tea Party, where American colonists dumped barrels of tea into the harbor to protest British taxes on tea, but continued to drink beer. The world's largest beer drinking country is the Czech Republic, where the average person consumes over 160 liters of beer each year. There is a growing trend toward sustainable beer-making practices, with many breweries using environmentally friendly methods to reduce their carbon footprint and conserve resources. Different beer styles have different pouring rituals, such as the traditional Belgian practice of pouring beer into a glass at a 45-degree angle to produce a creamy head. The carbonation in beer is produced by the yeast during the fermentation process, which releases carbon dioxide into the beer. Some beer styles, such as lambic and sour beers, are fermented using wild yeast and bacteria that are naturally present in the environment, which can result in unique and complex flavors. The practice of aging beer, also known as cellaring, can improve the flavor and complexity of certain beer styles, such as strong ales and stouts. The beer industry supports many other industries, such as agriculture, as beer is made from agricultural products such as barley, hops, and yeast. There are many beer competitions and festivals held around the world, where beers are judged and awarded for their quality, flavor, and appearance. The brewing process has inspired many scientific and technological innovations, such as the development of pasteurization, which was originally developed to help prevent spoilage in beer. Different cultures have different traditions and beliefs surrounding beer, such as the ancient Norse belief that the god Odin discovered beer. The beer can industry was revolutionized in the 1930s by the invention of the pull tab, which allowed for easy opening of cans without a can opener. Many beer labels feature unique and creative designs, with some breweries commissioning artists to create custom labels for their beers.